Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here. If you come back to your car and you find it got a flat tire just like this one here, this particular one is 2012 Honda Civic, and it doesn't matter which year, any car can get a flat tire like this. What do? On Honda Civic, you need to access the spare tire, which is located in the trunk. Lift up that cover and you access the repair kit, not the repair kit, the spare tire kit, and the spare tire itself right there, and you unscrew that bolt like that, and there you get access to the spare tire in your trunk right there. And all you need is to remove the flat tire and replace it with a spare tire. This spare tire is only temporary to help you move from where you are to where you can get it repaired. Now remove the wheel cap like this to access the lug nuts. Now you need the spare tire toolkit, so using the wheel spanner like this one and make loose all the lug nuts before you start jacking up the car. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Once you make all the lug nuts loose, now it's time to lift up the car. Using the provided jack, you just twist it with your fingers until you lift the car. Make sure the wheel is all the way up. If you can do it with your hands, then on that spare tire toolkit, there is this one here, and you can either use it to rotate like this, but if it's too hectic doing it like this, there is also another mechanism. You can make the hook go like there, and then use the wheel spanner and make a mechanism that look like this, and it's make the work easier. You see, I'm doing it with one hand, but I'm gonna put the camera down and do it with both hands, make it work easier. And all you need is lift up until the flat tire is way up above the ground. Make sure you choke or block the front wheel like that. You can use a stone. Remove all the lug nuts. Sometimes the tire might be stuck in there, you just hit it with something from the back, but this one was easy to come out just like that. And all you need is remove the old one and replace it with a spare tire just like this. Once you have it in there, you just hand tighten those lug nuts like this before you actually come in with a wheel spanner. And then when you're tightening, you gotta use this star. It's called the star method. Okay. And this is to make sure the tire wheel is sitting on the right place the correct way. So make sure it's tight before you drop the car on the ground. And then once you tighten it, we're gonna drop the car to the ground and make sure that lug nuts are tight before you put everything away. Now if you ever had an incident like this, let me know on the comment section, or let us know anything, any question you have on the comment section. Now back to the same mechanism that you used to lift the jack. You now rotated the counterclockwise to drop the car on the ground. Once the car is on the ground, make sure you pack all your tools. For the jack to fit in the kit, you have to clamp it all the way down, and by doing that, it will fit in its parts like that. Don't forget all the accessories. Now after this, you just put everything back in the trunk so that you can take the flat tire for a repair. Don't forget your wheel cap. Once they repair it, they can install it back for you and for the same fee that they repair the wheel for you. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Jeff CarBuoy. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. So let me know what you think on the comments. Subscribe and stay tuned.